Hello guys, this is God's Power Ogiagbe. So today I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can use to make money online. Yes, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can start using to make money online. I don't want to take your time. Let us just head over to those websites that will allow you to make money online for free. 5 ways. Just keep on watching. So guys, as you can see, this is the first website, which is called Fiverr. So what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a freelance website. It's a freelance platform where people like me and you can come and create our gig. A gig is an offer, a services you offer, like what you can do for other people to be able to solve their problem. That is a freelancer. Like, you can provide a services, like, let me say for example, you are video editor, so you know how to edit a video. You can come to Fiverr, create a gig about that. You know how to edit a video, and people will contact you or buy that your offer from Fiverr, and you are going to get paid once you are done creating the job or editing the video for that your client. Is very simple. That is how Fiverr work, and that is the first way you can use to make money on Fiverr. And the second way you can use to make money on Fiverr is their affiliate program, which is what you can see on the screen here. So as you can see, Fiverr is trusted by a lot of companies. You can see Facebook, Google, Netflix, P&G, and PayPal, and a bunch of companies that you can see here. So as you can see, say choose your you choose your commission plan. So you can see that how it works is that you have to register and join Fiverr affiliate program, and what you have to do, you can start promoting Fiverr affiliate program, and in return you are going to get paid for just doing that. So yeah, you can promote a bunch of offers on Fiverr, and in return you are getting paid for just doing that. So all you just need to do now is to go and join Fiverr. You can decide how you want to start using Fiverr to make money, either through freelancing, or you can start using it to make money by just promoting Fiverr, and in return, anyone that buy products from Fiverr, you are going to get paid up to 10% to up to 10%. So once you start using Fiverr, as long as you are promoting it to the right audience, you are going to start making money. So go and join Fiverr today and start sharing it to your audience and start making money with Fiverr. So that is what I need to talk about Fiverr. And once you are done, like you have made a profit. Let me say for example, anyone buy products or buy anything through that your affiliate link from Fiverr, you are going to get paid a commission. So that is how Fiverr work. I hope you get the idea. So all you just need to do now is to go join Fiverr affiliate program and start making money with Fiverr affiliate program. So we are going to move to the next website that you can use to make money online. So the second website that you can use to make money online, which is called Canva. So Canva is one of the biggest platform. Let me check on SimilarWeb here. You can see that Fiverr might be getting a lot of traffic. You can see Fiverr is getting 297 visitors every single month. You can see monthly visitors. You can see 297.9 million visitors every single month, which is something good. So how can you make money with Fiverr? So you can make money with Fiverr in different way. So you can make money by creating a design for your client on on Canva. You can make money just creating a design for your clients. So let me say for example, you met a client that says, okay, I want a design about business card or business flyer, all those kind of things. So as long as you can create this type of design, so you can create the design for free on Canva, and someone will pay you for this. It's very simple. And the second way you can still use to make money on Canva is their affiliate program. So you can join Canva affiliate program, and once you join Canva affiliate program, first register and promote Canva and start making money. You can see it say you can earn up to $36 for each purchase that is made on the pro plan. So they have to make a purchase. So any purchase they make, you are going to get a percentage. So that is how it works on Canva. So all you just need to do is to go and join Canva and start making money with it. It's very simple. And to join Canva, you need to join it through Impact Affiliate. So join Canva through Impact Affiliate. they will give you a link, and once you are giving that link, you now start sending traffic to that link, and anyone that click on that your link start using this application or website which is called Canva, you are going to get paid in return. That is how it works. It's very simple. So we are going to move to the third website. So the third website is called Grabpoint. Grabpoint is one of the simple websites that allows people like you and me to come and take survey, answer question, watch video, and you will get paid in return. So that is how it works. First thing, how it works is they partner with a brand, and those brands come and publish their product on Grabpoint. In return, Grabpoint user will complete those tasks and they will get paid, and they will give you your own share. So once you are done, like you complete your offer, how are you going to receive your money on Grabpoint? You can receive your money either with gift card or paper cash. That depends on you. You can see a bunch of gift card you can see here that you can use to receive your money once you are done doing that. So those are companies that they are partnering with that can create like task services on Grabpoint. So I hope you get the idea of how this works. You can go now and start using this platform. To see the visitor that is coming on this platform, I'll click on similar web again. It will show us how you can see this company is getting 506.2k visitors every single month. So that is it. Like I said, this website will allow you to watch video, answer questions, complete offers, and you'll get paid in return. So that is how it works. So we are going to move to the fourth website. So the fourth website is called Featurepoints. So what is Featurepoint? Featurepoint is a platform that works like Grabpoint. So, but it's a kind of different, but because they have different functions too. So how it works is that how Featurepoint works is that you have to make money by just completing tasks like downloading application, using it for 2 minutes, you will get paid in return. It's very, very simple. All you just need to do, join Featurepoint and start making money. One thing I like about Featurepoint is that they have a lot of options that you can use to make money with Featurepoint. So all you just need to do, join Featurepoint and start making money with it. You can see downloading application like Instagram. You can see games that you can download, and in return of downloading this game, using it for 2 minutes, you are going to get paid. As you can see, you can make money from your favorite shop. You can shop online, and in return you'll get cash back. So that is how it works. And you can take surveys. They have daily sweepstakes where you can enter their contest, their daily sweepstakes. You can be among the winners if you participate on the daily sweepstakes, and you are going to get paid some free cash. So the application is available on Apple Store and is available on Google Play Store. So you can go now and download the application, which is called Featurepoint. Start making money with it. So how you can receive your money, like I said, is paper. So once you hit the minimum amount, which is the threshold, you can receive your money into your paper account. It's very, very simple. So this is, you can see paper, Amazon, Google Play, Xbox, Steam, and Bitcoin. So that is how you can receive your money once you hit the minimum amount of cashing out. All you do on this application, download the application, install application, play games, you take surveys, you watch videos, you join daily sweepstakes, you'll be in a chance of making money. Once you hit the threshold, which is the minimum amount of cashing out, your money will be sent to you that your preferable payment that you wish to receive your money. So that is everything I need to talk about Featurepoint. All you just need to do now is to go and start using Featurepoint. The link to start using it will be in the description below. So the fifth website, which is the last website of this video, is called Pico Worker. So this is one of the free, let me call it freelancer website, which allows people like me and you to come, complete tasks, and we are getting paid in return. So how Pico Worker work is that you join Pico Worker for free and you start making money with 2 ways. The first way you can use to make money on Pico Worker is by completing a task of people who want, like, let me say for example, you can find a task on Pico Worker where they will ask you to go and like their Facebook page or follow them on Instagram. In return, you are getting paid. You are getting paid up to 10 cents to $3 or $4 or $5 on Pico Worker. It depends on how much the Pico Worker advertiser is willing to pay you. So that is how it works. And once you hit the minimum amount of cashing out on Pico Worker, your money will be sent into your PayPal account. So that is how it works. So the first thing is to register and go to register and go and start completing tasks, and you can get paid in return. And on Pico Worker, they have a business mode, a worker mode, and they have employer mode. So the employer mode is that you can switch to employer mode, where you can create services like an advertiser and people will work for you too. And you can switch back to worker, where you'll be able to work for people and you will get paid. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. This is one of the best websites that you can still use to make some free cash online. You can see, like what I said, you can make money by just from, you can see from even from 4 cents to $2. So yeah, that's it, guys. This application or this website, which is called Pico Worker, is one of the best way to make free money online if you are looking for easy way to start making some free cash online. So all you just need to do now is to go and start using this website, which is called Pico Worker, to make free money online. So that's it, guys. I'm going to end this video from here, and if you like this video, don't forget again to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget, before you end this video, come to my website here and come to community, click on You Gospel Forum. Here on my forum, you can ask me any question you want to ask me. You can ask me any question at all you just feel like asking me on this my forum. Come here, click on Add Topic. Ask me any question from that topic that you have in mind, or that way you want to use to make money online. Just ask me any question here and I'll reply you within 24 hours. So as you can see, I'm available all time. So just do it. Ask me any question, and that is it. And two, go to my blog here. And once you come to my blog here, you have to go and check out this my blog. I used to update this my blog every single day, which is how to make money online, top step-by-step guide. So this my blog, click on it. So this my blog, I update it every single week with new strategy and new website that you can use to make money online. So just come to this my blog and check it every single week, and I will leave it in the description below. It will be the blog will be titled weekly blog update. It will be titled weekly blog update. So that is it, and go and check it out. You'll find a bunch of ways that I've listed, and I've talked about reviewed application website. I've reviewed ways of how you can use to make money online. So go and check it out. So that's it, guys, and don't forget again to check this my SEO tools, which is USafe SEO, where you can find a bunch of tools that you can use to check your website. You can use you can see articles rewriter, plagiarism, mental tag analyzer, and keyword position checker, backlink checker, word counter, and a bunch of tools that you can find on this my SEO tools. Go and check it out. Let me know what you think about it, and I will say thank you very much. And don't forget again to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll say see you on the next video.